It's 2026, and artificial intelligence isn't just part of the workplace, it is the workplace. From the algorithms that schedule our meetings to the robotic arms assembling our products, AI is reshaping how humans and machines work together. It's the silent partner in every office, the invisible hand guiding every supply chain. But as this new industrial revolution unfolds, one big question remains. Are we losing more jobs than we're gaining? Let's break down what's really happening, and why the AI job revolution might surprise you. Segment 1. The shift begins. AI integration has accelerated faster than anyone predicted. In 2024, companies were still experimenting, running small-scale pilots. By 2026, driven by breakthroughs in model efficiency and a fierce competitive landscape, AI is standard across nearly every industry. Not as a replacement, but as a work partner. It's a cognitive collaborator, augmenting human intelligence rather than simply supplanting it. Manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and even construction now run on AI systems that predict, plan, and perform tasks with incredible precision. These systems analyze millions of data points in real time, optimizing everything from energy consumption in a factory to patient flow in a hospital. But this wave of automation has a price. And for some workers, that means profound change. Segment 2. Jobs on the decline. Let's start with the hard truth. AI and robotics have taken over many repetitive, predictable, and data-heavy roles. These are the jobs that can be broken down into a clear set of rules and procedures, the perfect territory for an algorithm. Factory assembly lines, once the backbone of industrial labor, are now almost entirely automated. Basic data entry and clerical work are handled by language models and bots that can process thousands of documents in minutes. Level 1 customer service is now dominated by AI chat and voice assistants that never sleep, handling routine queries with flawless patience. And on our highways, autonomous fleets are beginning to handle long-haul trucking and last-mile delivery. Experts estimate roughly 12 million traditional jobs worldwide were phased out or drastically changed between 2025 and 2027. It's a period of significant disruption, causing real anxiety for many, but this is only half the story. AI doesn't just destroy jobs, it transforms them and creates entirely new ones in their place. Segment 3. New jobs, new skills. With every wave of automation in history, from the steam engine to the internet, humanity adapted. We invented new roles, developed new expertise, and found new ways to create value. AI is no different. It's the next chapter in our long story of technological evolution. In 2026-2027, whole new categories of work are rising. AI maintenance and monitoring technicians are the new mechanics. Humans who train, test, and fine-tune systems daily. Prompt engineers have become AI whisperers, skilled at talking to AI to get precisely the right output. AI ethicists and compliance officers are the new guardians, ensuring systems stay fair, transparent, and safe. Automation supervisors are the new floor managers, human overseers who manage entire teams of robots. And AI integration consultants are the architects of this new era, helping organizations weave automation into their workflows seamlessly. Beyond these new tech-focused roles, support and augmentation roles are growing even faster. Creative directors now use generative AI tools to brainstorm and prototype ideas at lightning speed. Teachers guide students in hybrid classrooms, using AI to personalize learning paths. And operations coordinators manage the complex dance between people and algorithms, ensuring the entire system runs smoothly. Segment 4. Industry Spotlight Manufacturing. In the smart factories of 2027, robots handle the heavy lifting, the repetitive welding, and the precision assembly. But people still lead the crucial tasks of design, safety, and oversight. Instead of tightening bolts, workers now program the machines that do. They analyze data from digital twins to predict maintenance needs, and use computer vision to ensure flawless quality control. A single AI-equipped plant can produce up to 3 times as much as a traditional one, with fewer accidents and higher wages for skilled technicians. This isn't replacement, it's reallocation of human talent to higher value work. Segment 5. Industry Spotlight, Healthcare. In healthcare, AI's impact is massive. Automated diagnostics can spot anomalies in scans that the human eye might miss. Scheduling bots manage appointments and administrative tasks, while robotic assistants transport supplies and support clinicians. At first glance, that sounds like job loss. But actually it frees highly trained professionals from burnout-inducing paperwork to focus on what truly matters: human care. Hospitals now hire AI system specialists to maintain these complex tools, virtual patient coordinators to manage telehealth services, and data interpreters who ensure AI-driven decisions align with ethical and medical standards. The result? Better patient outcomes, greater operational efficiency, and a new ecosystem of more specialized, human-centered roles. Segment 6, Industry Spotlight, Transportation. By 2027, self-driving fleets are a standard feature in shipping and logistics, especially for long, predictable highway routes. The classic long-haul trucker role is changing, evolving from a hands-on driver to a systems manager. The industry now employs fleet operators, AI navigation analysts, and remote vehicle supervisors. Instead of driving one truck for 8 hours, a single worker in a comfortable control center can now manage a swarm of them, becoming the digital version of a convoy commander, ensuring safety and efficiency from hundreds of miles away. Segment 7, the creativity boom. While machines handle logic and repetition, humans are doubling down on what we do best: creativity, imagination, and storytelling. AI has democratized content creation, unleashing a wave of digital artists, video creators, and indie entrepreneurs who treat AI as a tireless, infinitely skilled creative partner. By 2027, platforms estimate that AI-assisted creators are producing significantly more content at a higher quality than ever before. This explosion in output creates demand. Small creative studios are hiring more editors to refine AI-generated footage, voice actors to bring synthetic characters to life, sound designers to score projects, and social media managers to handle the increased volume. Some jobs fade, but creative freedom expands for millions. Segment 8, Education and Reskilling. The key to surviving this transition isn't fear, it's retraining. Lifelong learning has become an economic necessity. In response, governments and companies worldwide have launched massive upskilling programs. In 2026 alone, tens of millions enrolled in AI-related courses, learning data literacy, coding basics, prompt engineering, and the principles of human-AI collaboration. This global education wave spawns new roles too. AI tutors provide personalized coaching at scale. Digital curriculum designers create engaging, interactive learning modules. And virtual class facilitators ensure that online learning remains a human, collaborative experience. Segment 9, the economic outlook. So, what's the final tally? According to global labor reports, by the end of 2027, AI will have displaced tens of millions of jobs, but it is projected to create even more. The net result is not a loss, but a shift, resulting in millions of new roles. And critically, many of these new jobs come with higher pay, more creative engagement, and greater flexibility than the ones they replaced. The industries that embrace AI early and thoughtfully, like logistics, healthcare, and green energy, are leading the charge. They are proving that innovation doesn't have to be a zero-sum game that leaves people behind. Segment 10, the human advantage. Here's the fundamental truth. AI is fast, powerful, and tireless. It can process data at a scale we can't comprehend, but it's missing something essential: us. Human empathy, complex ethical judgment, strategic foresight, and true creativity are irreplaceable. In the industries of 2026 and beyond, the individuals and companies who thrive are those who master the art of blending technology with uniquely human insight. So no, AI isn't taking all the jobs. It's transforming them. It's automating tasks, not careers. The age of man versus machine is over. Now it's man with machine, a partnership poised to unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and creativity. Segment 11, global winners and laggards. The adoption of AI isn't uniform across the globe. Nations and industries that invested early in digital infrastructure and education are reaping the rewards. Regions leading in green energy, precision manufacturing, and logistics are seeing massive productivity gains, safer workplaces, and significant market growth. Conversely, those slower to adapt face the risk of being left behind, struggling with outdated processes and a widening skills gap. The lesson is clear. Proactive adaptation is the only path to competitiveness in the AI era. Segment 12, the small business playbook. This revolution isn't just for mega corporations. Small and medium-sized businesses are leveraging accessible, often no-code, AI tools to level the playing field. They're deploying AI-powered chatbots for 24/7 customer support, using predictive analytics for inventory forecasting to reduce waste, and automating their social media marketing to reach new customers. The key is to start small, focus on quick wins that solve a real problem, and avoid the pitfall of trying to implement overly complex systems too soon. Segment 13. Policy and safety nets. A smooth transition requires a strong social framework. Governments are stepping up with policies designed to support workers. These include upskilling grants to fund retraining, expanded apprenticeship programs for new AI-centric roles, and frameworks for portable benefits that follow workers between jobs. At the same time, regulations are emerging that mandate AI audits, ensuring that automated systems are ethical, transparent, and free from bias. It's a dual approach, empowering the workforce while holding the technology accountable. Segment 14. Your pivot in 90 days. Feeling overwhelmed? Here's a practical path to pivot. First, pick a domain you're passionate about, be it marketing, design, or logistics. Second, learn the fundamentals of data literacy. Understand how data informs decisions. Third, master one accessible AI tool within that domain. Fourth, build a small portfolio project to demonstrate your new skill. Finally, network with others in the field and start applying. This isn't a one-time fix. It's about embracing continuous learning as a core professional habit. Segment 15. Myths versus facts. Let's bust some common myths. Myth: AI will take all the jobs. Fact: AI automates tasks, creating new roles that require human oversight and creativity. Myth: you have to be a coder to succeed. Fact: skills like prompt engineering, ethical oversight, and AI-assisted design are just as valuable. Myth: it's too late to learn. Fact: with a wealth of online resources, the best time to start learning is right now. Closing: the future of work isn't about what we lose, it's about what we create. This is a moment of transformation, not destruction. AI is not the end of human work. It's the beginning of a new partnership, one that elevates our skills and frees us to focus on the problems only we can solve. The challenge is clear, but so is the opportunity. The age of AI is here. It's time to adapt, to learn, and to create the future together.